Let's fix it. Go to task manager. Then in this task manager, you need to go to performance, and here you can see the Wi-Fi is there. If you're using Ethernet, it will be there. Internet will be there. So now here you can check how much speed is running, and the Mbps is how much you can see here. And after that, you need to go to run. Click run and RESMON. Type it and click enter. And here you can see the network. What are the software and applications are using your network, and check whether the unwanted any applications are using more network, means you need to uh, delete it. So this is how to check it. So after, you need to go to device manager. Just click the device manager, and here you can see network adapters are there. Yes, click the network adapters, and you can update the drivers. So yes, this is how to update the drivers. So go back, and here you can see the search for control panel, and go to control panel, and here you can see network and infra setting is there. Click the network and infra settings, and click network and sharing center. Yes, and go to change adapter settings. Here Ethernet and Wi-Fi is there. You need to, if you're using Ethernet, you can use Ethernet. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can go with Wi-Fi and go to IPv4 and go to properties, and go with use the following DNS server address, and here you can type 88888844. Yes, type this, and once typing, you need to click OK. Yes, and close it. And after that, you can check it. If the still issues remain, then you need to go to CMD, run as administrator. Yes, and here you can type the ipconfig slash flush DNS. Yes, type this and click enter. Yes, and after that, you need to type ipconfig slash release. Yes, enter. And now you can type ipconfig space slash renew. Yes, type this and click enter. And once completed, means you need to give exit. Yes, after that, you need to restart your PC to fix the issue.